How to buy GRAFI token. So before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rules on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on about this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token, you can buy it on your MEXC account. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, after that, in the search bar, now type GRAFI like that, as you can see, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see here, you can see the amount that you want to buy like that, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy GRAFI. Now after or in a few seconds, this token it will be added to your account. So as that easy. So this is how to buy GRAFI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.